right here. Counter right. Whoa! Let's take a look at the first fight. The first fight is Bon Jovi versus Musa Rash.
Please make some noise for Bon Jovi!
Bon Jovi is a rock star and today he's going to rock the cage here at MFN 5 in Dubai.
Fighters बहुत खतरनाक हैं, ये fighters बहुत talented लोग हैं.
Well, yes, Manan, he's a lionheart indeed and he can eat punches.
Weighing in at 60.1 kilograms, hailing from Manipur, make some noise for the Aztecs Tiger, Bon Jovi! No, Martin! And the opponent fighting on the red corner, hailing from Gujarat, Musa Bahata Rice!
And the action begins. Referee in the cage is Mayank Dogra. But as I said, Bon Jovi has a good counter. He can
Bon
eat
Jovi
shots.
counters.
Okay, now Musa on the cage.
एक मिनट भी वेस्ट नहीं किया इन दोनों फाइटर्स ने. एकदम एक्शन स्टार्ट हो गई है. What a start to Matrix Fight Night 5.
Manan, as I told you, Bon Jovi is the kind of guy who can eat punches, eat kicks. This guy is conditioned.
Ooh, a great kick landed from Bon Jovi.
Was that a nut shot? Mayank is an experienced athlete as well. He played in the early days of SFL, an experienced referee as well. Whoa!
Ooh,
this
nice
is the counter that I was
shot.
talking about.
That was a great counter punch by Bon Jovi.
I was hoping these guys are going to finish it in round 1.
Take a look at that, Rahul. And he could have possibly finished the fight from there.
Jitsu. What do you have to say?
Bon Jovi ne return fire
Come on,
kiya.
Bon Jovi. Entire Manipur is praying for you. And at the same time, entire Gujarat is praying for Musa in this bout.
मुझे बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है.
Whoa! That's a nice
Good
right
shots.
hand.
Good shots
Straight on the
landed.
chin.
The thing I love, Rahul, about Musa is his style. अरे क्या लात पकड़ी है. Wow.
Excellent.
और
Excellent.
दोनों fighters ground पे. इस बार Bon Jovi ऊपर है, Rahul.
Sorry, not for both of them, but for Bon Jovi.
राहुल, मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे बॉन जॉवी को कुछ रिस्क लेने पड़ेंगे और वो ले रहा है. अब बड़े-बड़े हाथ छोड़ रहा है वो. Stability left in him after that punch now.
Well, Bon Jovi is eating punches and kicks as if it's dinner time. And pushed Musa. And I was hoping for intense action. Let's look at the highlights.
इससे हमको ये भी देखने को मिलता है कि MMA की जो फाइट्स हैं वो केज के अगेंस्ट कितना चलती हैं. You know, we need to know as a fighter, you need to know how to fight against the cage. It's so important.
Let's go on to the next bout, which is a rematch. Now in a flyweight division.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Bon Jovi!
Bon Jovi making his way to the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, he weighed in at 56.7 kilograms, representing Manipur. Give it up for Bon Jovi! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, for Musa Rice!
On the target. On the other hand, Bon Jovi is all set to drop bombs. Fighters ready. Let the action begin.
They need to set their shots up.
जोश में.
Yeah, these guys, once again, like I said, they're just, oh, wow. Nice showboating, got caught though. Nice scramble. Oh, nice knee.
For these fighters trying to assess the distance. Let's see who gets the first shot. Whoa!
Big shots!
These
Big
guys are
shots by
heavy
both these guys. Bon Jovi is dropped.
And today, he opens the card against Bon Jovi. Bon Jovi, we've seen him fighting at Matrix Fight Night.
Bon Jovi!
बॉन जॉवी बढ़ रहे हैं केज की तरफ.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 54.6 kilograms, representing Nagaland. Give it up for Lima Sanap Imchin. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 56.7 kilograms, representing Manipur. Make some noise for Nong Matem Bon Jovi.
this is the first fight of the evening. We've got Lima Sunep Imchen, the Naga Zombie in the blue corner, taking on Bon Jovi, the rock star, in the red corner. Man, straight 1-2 shots by Bon Jovi.
बहुत ही बढ़िया कॉम्बिनेशन टिकाते हुए वहां पे Bon Jovi.
You guys are noticing here how patient Bon Jovi is just sitting back and picking these shots right here.
शायद जल्दी खत्म हो जाए. लेग लॉक की कोशिश वहां पे लिमा सुनेप की तरफ से. फिलहाल अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं Bon Jovi डिफेंड करने का.
Well, it looks Lima Sunep has a really tight grip on the toe, and Bon Jovi trying to get himself out, throwing in those shots.
बहुत ही कड़क मुक्के राहुल. वहां पे बहुत जान है इन मुक्कों में. इससे असर जरूर पड़ेगा लिमा सुनेप पे. और अब यहाँ पे Bon Jovi ऊपर आ चुके हैं. वो यही करना चाहते थे शुरुआत से. एक भी मिनट नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं. ऊपर आते ही सीधा मुक्कों की बारिश.
Man, those shots are devastating.
Huge shots. Looking for a guillotine here.
Bon Jovi looking
ये फाइट होती है खत्म.
Bon Jovi
है.
submits Lima Sunep Imchen via guillotine. And that's what we saw it here. Look at those initial 1-2 big shots by Bon Jovi. And then more shots coming in.
शुरुआत से ही हावी पड़ रहे थे Bon Jovi लिमा सुनेप पे. यहाँ थोड़ा सा पलटता हुआ नजर आया जब लिमा सुनेप ने लेग लॉक का अटेम्प्ट किया, लेकिन उसको बहुत अच्छे से डिफेंड किया Bon Jovi ने. और अंत में कस के मुक्के लगाए, हार्ड शॉट्स लगाए और एक गियोटिन के साथ फिनिश किया. क्या कमाल की शुरुआत हुई है MFN 11 की.
Welcome back to Matrix Fight Night, and coming up next we have a flyweight bout for you. Nong Mathem Bon Jovi. Yes,
Bon Jovi!
सोच के अनुसार Bon Jovi एक बहुत अच्छे फाइटर उभरने वाले हैं.
Absolutely. Arshian and Bon Jovi both were fighting together on the MFN 11 card, and who would have thought that they would fight together? But let's see where we go from here.
here we go to the tail of the tape. Both fighters approximately the same age, both kickboxers as well, fighting in an MMA fight.
Fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 57.1 kilograms, representing Manipur. Make some noise for Nong Mathem Bon Jovi! The referee for the fight, Jim Perdias. Step back, let's do it.
यहाँ पे ब्लू कॉर्नर में हमारे साथ हैं आर्शियन मेनन, जिसका सामना हो रहा है रेड कॉर्नर में Bon Jovi से. Bon Jovi के कॉर्नर में बैठे हैं अंशुल जुबली. क्या अंशुल का what an exciting start. Oh man,
Big left hook. Both fighters looking to throw down immediately. This got my God. Big shots by these boys. Bon Jovi getting tagged over and over, but Bon Jovi needs to step in. Beautiful check kick. Check to that leg kick. Inside leg kick again. Big right welter occurred there. Wow, just missed with the leg kick. Right hand, you can check it out. Arshian Memon is hurt. He's hurt. He needs to be careful here. Looking to close the distance. Wrap it up. Straight, beautiful trip. Outside trip takedown. Arshian Memon got cracked with that right hand. He was hurt for a second. It's going to be interesting to see. I would love for him to stand back up and get him to stand up. Step back up. Come on, Bon Jovi, let him stand up.
जैसे हमने बताया कि दोनों ही fighters बहुत ही skilled kickboxers हैं.
But watch, immediately Arshian Memon's left hand comes up to protect his face. He knows that right hand landed, hits its mark. And Bon Jovi, again, beautiful counter right. Bon Jovi unleashing counter. That right hand is a piston again, over and over again. He lands that right hand coming up, but he needs to stand up.
And Bon Jovi is orthodox. So I think both these guys are trying to find holes, and that's why they are hitting straight on the jaw.
Again, look for that right hand, but I wish he set it up. That's much better. A beautiful left hook coming in. See that, blocks that like a beautiful inside leg kick. Oh, now hang on, I don't know if that hit the cup yet. Thank you, can recover your thought. Let's take a look there. Yeah, no, that was just, the foot was sliding up to the cup. It was not really good. It was absolutely Hildenberg had gotten started with 2 illegal shots to the groin, but sadly it ended in one of the worst ways possible.
यदि unofficial stats को देखें तो बॉन जोवी इस फाइट को लीड कर रहे थे.
Now starting से देखो Rahul, the minute the fight started, it started off with that inside leg kick that slid up to the cup and was deemed illegal. But as the fight went on, both fighters started throwing down. You could see beautiful combinations, that shot from Memon which cracked him clean, hurt him, and overall it was just an incredible fight.
Well, an unfortunate ending here, but Arjun and Tane, I would like to see these warriors fight once again and put up a war for all the fight fans in the country. And those brutal shots, look at them.
Absolutely. These are some hammers that are being thrown on by each of them.